Today I will be replacing the Beat Studio ear pads, and after extended use, as you may know, the leather on the ear pads start coming off in pieces. So I bought a new pair of ear pads and I will be showing you how to replace them, and it's really easy. You only need a kitchen butter knife, or like I'm using right now, I got an iFixit kit, and these are the new ear pads. I bought them in Amazon. I'm gonna actually have all the affiliate links below where you can find them. They come in a variety of colors, so you can select any colors, and they're all around the same price. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to pull the old ear pad out of your headphones, and the process is the same for many of the Beat headphones, so you can follow this step if you got something else that is not the Beat Studios. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our kitchen butter knife or our iFixit tool to remove our old ear pads, and we're gonna squeeze it in between the leather and the plastic. You're gonna see there's a little bit of a groove that you're gonna go and put your knife in between. This is where the double-sided tape is, and that's what we want to remove to be able to get the ear pads off the headphones. Now don't worry about damaging the speakers, because the speakers on the Beats headphones are protected by the plastic of the headphones. Once we have squeezed our knife in between the ear pads and the plastic, we're gonna go and start pushing in slowly and going around the whole ear pad to be able to remove the whole double-sided tape all around the ear pad. Once we have finished removing the first one, we can repeat the same process in the other side. Now, once we have removed both ear pads, you have to make sure that you clean any residue of glue or double-sided tape that's still on the plastic. So you can't use isopropyl alcohol to clean it and have a good clean surface. This way the new ear pads can stick really well to the plastic. Now we're gonna start the installation process. The first thing you have to determine is which side is the left and which side is the right side. You're gonna see that one side has the micro USB port that you use to charge your headphones, so the ear pad for that side will have a little dent that actually fits exactly to that side. Now for the other side, to make sure that it's on the correct position, you will see that there's a SIM, and that SIM goes to the bottom, indicating that that SIM is gonna go next to the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now to align the ear pads is really easy. It has two dials, one on the top and one on the bottom. Make sure that you align the holes on the ear pad to the dial, and that will make you align your ear pads correctly and have a correct installation. Once we have attached the new ear pad to our headphones, make sure that we press firmly all around the ear pad to make sure that we have a good attachment and it actually glued really well to the plastic. Now we just repeat the same process on the other side and we're done. This is how you can replace all by yourself the old ear pads with new ear pads. Remember that everything is gonna be linked in the description below. Don't forget to give a like to this video, and if you want to see more content on this channel, make sure that you check the playlist right after this video.